Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to do an unboxing of a couple things I've got from Whatnot. I've been doing some online shopping, and I just kind of want to share what I got. I guess starting with this knife, since I'll mainly just be using this. This is meant to be a short video. I got in this knife on Whatnot. Cool little silver-ish, grayish, black knife. Camo. I think it looks nice. Definitely just gonna be used for unboxing stuff. Looks amazing. Open it again. See, that's better. The camera. Looks beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty much that. I got it from Whatnot. Now next, this voiceover part. I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover of what I did here. So I pretty much started unboxing it. Just complimenting the vinyl. Gave it a whole bunch of compliments. Saying how beautiful she was. How fresh it felt. I was doing a little ASMR here, so sad that I didn't get that on camera. Well, I got it on camera a little. But I just didn't get the audio, I should say. I guess while I'm doing this voiceover, I shall also take the time to remind you to go subscribe. If you haven't, go like. If you also haven't, if the hype features here, go hype the video up. There's probably a percentage of you not subscribed, as usual. Alright, there we go. Now I'm opening it up over here. I did that so clean. I did that clean with the knife. And it would have been some more ASMR here of how clean I opened it. And me taking the plastic wrap off. I'm really sad I didn't get that audio. But I guess it is what it is sometimes. Let's see what Valerie got for me inside. Oh man, it's all black. Valerie got nothing. I mean, this is a 2LP, so don't get mad yet. This is part 2. So I first want to put that onto the side. And this is 1. Alright. Let's see. We got Lonely Star, and Title Thursday. The song featuring Drake. Aw man, they should. No, that's actually clever how they put the birds part 1 here. And they put the birds part 2 on the other. That's actually clever. Very clever indeed. So this is a 2LP. Let's see how this A and B look. I also want to be careful taking her out. Shiny and beautiful. I don't think I want to spin this one. I don't know if I want to spin this. She looks beautiful. She's not going to be a lonely star at least. At least for now. As I struggle to put this pocket back on. I got one more, or at least 2 more items. 2 more items to show you. So, we gotta hurry up and speed this. I mainly wanted to do this one longer. So I will definitely be taking my time, but also speeding up. Alright. This 2 has The Birds Part 2, Dawn, Rolling Stone, which is, by the way, my favorite song on this whole entire album. I put this as my #1 song. Heaven or Las Vegas, and Valerie, which is the bonus track and my #2 favorite from this whole entire album. Well, it's not really an album, it's more so a mixtape, but it's pretty much an album. Let's just call it what it is. We're not talking about the trilogy album all entire. feels like a whole album itself. Yeah, let's see how she looks. This album's gonna be louder. This one's gonna be split. Especially when it comes to which I do hope the guy in the future. Because everyone I've talked to, they say audio technical this, audio technical please. You get the joke, Moving on. After I put her back in her sleeve and put these back where they belong. Which I show a picture of what it looks displayed with my other vinyl. Michael Jackson, Thriller, and keyboard vinyl. Then we're gonna move on to our last thing. Mostly it's probably gonna be a voiceover. Because I'm I already started and now I can't really finish it. Where's my marker? I forgot to take my, or at least erase my hold on a sec, chat. I thought the box was from view. They double taped it. Well, actually, this side doesn't. I don't want to be too sure. I hope this isn't small for what I think it is. It looks very small. Regular charger. I forgot what exactly it goes. My phone could definitely fit in here. Yeah, I could put the puppy back in. If the strap wasn't too small, then I wouldn't be mad. And this could be a nice, decent travel bag. That'd be what is what it is. It shouldn't be. Really can't be mad because I had a chance to cancel it. I didn't think it would come right away. We live and learn. Alright, well, I guess we can move on to our last item. I showed this off on my TikTok already, but I don't want to kind of show it off here. I got a Kingdom Hearts Ultimate. As you can pretty much see, if you don't know already, this is your first video of mine. I'm a big nerd. Like, I'm a nerd, definitely. I love Kingdom Hearts. I love Persona. The whole series in general. I love collecting levels. I'm a big Weekend fan. Since I was younger. Yeah, that's pretty much the rundown page. And as you can see, I play video games. Marvel Rivals. Yeah, I guess this was cool. This was a cool find. I don't honestly think I will open these yet. Only because it's cool to keep it sealed and it looks good. It looks good enough to keep it sealed and I just keep it sitting on my desk. Which I'll probably show a photo of later. I'll put everything back in this. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've gotten. Some cool things in the last couple of days. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment your favorite part of the video or your question of the day. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.